This Hindi Shorts channel has gained almost 1 million subscribers with just 100 videos, and this other channel has gained 17 million subscribers with just over 200 videos. Also, this new channel crossed 120,000 subscribers overnight. These channels are getting millions of views daily, and the best part is that they are 100% monetized. The exciting thing is that you can create these types of videos in just 10 minutes. Today, I will show you the full step-by-step process to create these videos. So, let's begin. Step 1. Getting the story. To create these videos, the first thing you need is an emotional story. You can either write it yourself or generate it using AI like ChatGPT or Gemini AI. I prefer to use ChatGPT for detailed script. Now let's go to ChatGPT and type. Give me multiple story ideas similar to this one. A hard-working cow works tirelessly to grow crops in the field, but some mischievous monkeys come and destroy everything. The cow feels hopeless and calls the police, who then come and arrest the monkeys. Now, ChatGPT will give many story ideas. Choose one you like, and ChatGPT will generate a complete story for you. For demonstration purposes, I am using one from this stories. I write the entire story in Notepad to use later. Step 2. Creating images for the story. To generate images, you can use Microsoft Designer, Leonerdo AI, or Adobe Firefly. For now, we will use Leonerdo AI. At first, go to Leonerdo AI. You will find the login section and log in there. Then, click on Image Generation and enter the prompt based on the first line of your story. Adjust the settings, such as image size, resolution, and creativity level, then click on Generate button. Leonerdo AI will create 4 images for you. Download the best image for your story. Repeat this process for each line of your story to create all the necessary images. Step 3. Converting images into a video. Once you have all the images, it's time to convert them into a video. For video creation, you can use Hailu AI, Runway ML, Kling AI, Hyper AI, InVideo AI, or PixVerse AI. Most of them are paid with limited free trials. For extensive uses, you can purchase their monthly subscription, but before purchasing you must try the trial version. For video creation, I am using PixVerse AI, which is one of the best AI tools for turning images into animated videos. First, go to PixVerse AI. Then, sign up or log into your account. After login, click on Text or Image option. Upload your first image, generated from Leonerdo AI. In the text box, describe how you want the animation to look. Here you can write the same prompt while generation images. Set the duration to 5 seconds. Click on Create button and wait for some times. In seconds, the video will be ready. I repeat the same process for all images to generate a full video. Step 4. Generating AI Voiceover. For AI Voiceover, go to Google and search for TTS, text-to-speech. Choose any website from the results. Copy your story text and paste it into the text box. Select English as the language. Choose a voice model and click Convert Now. Your AI Voiceover is now ready. If all are okay, you can download the file now. A bunny wakes up early every day to bake delicious carrot cakes for the forest market. Just as she's about to sell them, a group of greedy goats sneak in and gobble up everything. Devastated, the bunny calls the Forest Food Patrol, who arrive just in time to catch the goats mid-munch. Step 5. Editing the final video. Now, we need to combine everything using a simple video editing app. For this video, I am using Capcut. First, open Capcut and create a new project. Then, import all animated clips, created from PixVerse AI. Now, it's time to trim and arrange the clips in the correct order. After importing the clips, import the AI-generated voiceover and sync it with the clips. Split and adjust the clips to match the voiceover timing. To give a professional look on your video, you can apply smooth transitions between clips. You can also add background music and effects or filters to enhance the video, but keep the background music volume to 20%. So it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Now, preview the final video to ensure everything looks good. Click Export and save your final video. Let's have a look what we created just now. A bunny wakes up early every day to bake delicious carrot cakes for the forest market. Just as she's about to sell them, a group of greedy goats sneak in and gobble up everything. Devastated, the bunny calls the Forest Food Patrol, who arrive just in time to catch the goats mid-munch. Your video is now ready to upload on YouTube, and it has the potential to gain millions of views. Wow, that was such an amazing transformation from simple images to a fully animated video. If you found this tutorial helpful, imagine what more you can create. Don't stop here, subscribe now for more AI-powered animation tips, secret tools, and trending strategies. For now, try making your own AI cartoon video and drop a comment below. I'll personally check it out. Don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends who want to create videos like this.